Have you ever wondered how to make your own liquid soap at home? The kind that smells great, foams richly and lasts for weeks? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. Here are my ingredients: sulfonic acid, nitrosol, STPP, foam booster, SLS, perfume or fragrance, caustic soda, soda ash, color, and Tezapon. For a smooth and clear soap, dissolve every ingredient separately before mixing, okay? So today I'm starting with my sulfonic acid and the Tezapon. So mix everything together and then set it aside. In another separate bowl, dissolve your STPP and then set it aside. In another separate bowl, add your caustic soda and soda ash together, then dissolve it with a little water, okay? It gets a little warm as it reacts. Once it's completely dissolved, set it aside to cool down. Next is my color, and today we are going with color green. So add a little water in a bowl and then dissolve your color and then set it aside. Mix your SLS too with a little water, stir together until it's completely dissolved and then set it aside. Once all your ingredients have been completely dissolved, let it sit for about 2 to 3 hours, okay? In a big bowl or bucket, pour in about 5 liters of clean water. Gradually add your nitrosol while stirring continuously. Keep stirring until it completely dissolves. You will notice the water getting slightly thick and clear. This forms the base for your liquid soap, and it is what gives it that smooth, creamy body. Add your STPP solution and mix well. Next, go in with your soda ash and caustic soda solution. Add to the mixture, stir together. Next, add your sulfonic acid and Tezapon solution and keep stirring. This is where the foam magic begins. Now pour your SLS solution and also keep stirring together, okay? Next is our foam booster. Add water at every point in time to loosen it. Today I will be making about 15 liters of liquid soap and I'm not adding the water all at once, okay? And next is my dissolved color green. So add it to the mixture and then stir everything together. Once you are done mixing, cover your soap and let it rest for a few hours or overnight. This helps the bubbles settle and all the ingredients blend perfectly. After allowing the soap to rest for about 24 hours, at this point, it became too thick and difficult to mix because I was using a bucket. So I transferred into a bigger bowl and added a little clean water. And trust me, it became much easier to stir. So if this happened to you, don't worry, just do the same. And once you have gotten the right consistency for your soap, the next thing to go in now is our fragrance or perfume. Okay, so I just added it to the soap and then stir it together. Let this soap rest for a bit and then mix it together again. And that's how you make rich foamy liquid soap right at home, okay? It is perfect for washing clothes, plates, cleaning the floor, cleaning surfaces, and so many others. And the best part, you can even make a small business out of it, especially for small business owner, students, or just looking for a side hustle. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ese Can Cook for more easy DIY and home recipe. See you in my next video. God bless you and bye.